Hey, this is pretty crazy. You gotta check it out. So I just made $18,000 in a single week without my own product.
If you let people's perception of you dictate your behavior, you will never grow as a person. But if you leave yourself open to experience, despite what others think, then you will learn and grow.
You have to lose your fear of failure. Failure is a part of the process. People who never fail never try. You have to fail. You got to get it wrong to get it right.
No matter how much emotion and feeling you may have or how much hurt you may have, life has to go on. Life doesn't stop for anybody. So if you don't process that and understand that, you're stuck in whatever time period you got hurt forever.
I don't care how good you are in anything, you don't have discipline, you ain't nobody. You're nothing without discipline. Because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline. Discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
We have two primary choices in life. We can either accept conditions as they exist, or we can take the responsibility to change them. See, a lot of people want to exempt themselves from taking responsibility. All they want to do is talk about the problem. Every time you see them, they'll tell you their story over and over and over and over again. No. You want to take responsibility for your life. I got me here, I can get me out of this. And I'm getting out. I'm not going to be a volunteer victim.
I don't care if you have to inch your way day by day. Even if you have to get down and it hurts and it's hard and nobody can see what you're really going through. If you don't quit, the pit will become your platform.
I will try 100 times to get up, and if I fail 100 times, if I fail and I give up, do you think that I'm ever going to get up? No. If I fail, I try again and again and again. For as long as I try, there's always that chance of getting up. And it's not the end until you've given up.
You need to make it a habit to start every fucking day validating yourself, cheering for yourself, because life is a marathon. And this might be a challenging leg where you're like, I'm just going to throw in the towel. I'm not going to do that thing. Hell no. If you're standing in front of that mirror, you deserve to feel the support and empowerment and encouragement that you need. You are doing so much every single day that you don't give yourself credit for.
If you don't fail, you're not even trying. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. Imagine you're on your deathbed, and standing around your deathbed are the ghosts representing your unfulfilled potential. The ghost of the ideas you never acted on. The ghost of the talents you didn't use. They say, we came to you because you could have brought us to life, they say. And now we have to go to the grave together. So I ask you today, how many ghosts are going to be around your bed when your time comes?
What do you do when 1,000 other people want exactly what you want? What if you're not the only one that wants what you want? What if there are thousands of other people who want what you want? You have to outwork them. You got to outgrind them. You got to get up earlier. You got to stay up later. You've got to execute, and you've got to go from 70 to 120.
Lazy people do a little work and think they should be winning, but winners work as hard as possible and still worry if they're being lazy.
It's not what they say about you that matters. It is what you say about you that threatens your destiny.
Good morning, people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright. I'll get started quickly here. Wait a little bit more for Zoom people to come in. And then we'll start from there. What's up, boys? What's up, boys? People coming in. Okay. Yeah, how y'all been, bro? Have you guys been trading London session today or waking up from New York? start it here. All right. So what happened last night? What the fuck happened last night? Let's see. Let's go back to this.
That shit.
So here we have let me see. I was already sleeping when this shit happened. My fucking boy called me. He was like, "Yo, look at this shit." Alright, let's go over here. We had a massive 400 pip drop. We were trading at 166 yesterday. Now we're trading at 160. So yeah, a little bit bearish than we were yesterday. Right? If you guys notice, we came over here to this area here of support that we have been testing for a while now, here on the 4-hour time frame. You guys notice we rejected over here, over here, all these levels over here. It's basically like a key area here of rejection, right? So will price end up coming down here, or will we start coming bullish from where we are today, right now, at this moment? Let's see. Start coming into a little bit 1-hour time frame now. We had the drop, big drop. We were trying to go bullish here. We weren't able to. Now basically we barely had volume at this area over here. To the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, basically right now we're just trading within this mini trend over here. Right over here. This would be resistance for right now, and support would be this key area here that we've been rejecting here for some hours now. So what would I be looking for today? Well, if we start getting some closures below this area over here, I could potentially be going bearish here, or if we start coming above this area over here, we could be going bullish. Now, something that I did notice, that these candles are huge. We're in the 15-minute time frame, and these candles are 30 pip big, 30 pip, 40 pips, right? So that's gonna basically force me to come here to the 5-minute and see what goes on here on the 5-minute, right? Because these 5-minute candles are a little bit smaller, and I'm a scalper, so I will be checking the 5-minute a little bit more today, just because 15-minute candles are massive and I gotta find stops somewhere. So that's basically what I'm looking for today. Did you guys catch any of this? Put something in the chat if you guys were able to at least catch 10-20 pips from this shit. I was already freaking sleeping, getting ready to get up for today. So yeah. Let me put a little bit of some lofi music in the background.
Stop the car.
Alright. Let me know if it's too loud, boys. Alright. So we're basically coming down here once again to kind of retest this level here again. Will we break it or will we reject it? Did any of you hop on for Asian session or London session, and then are coming back in for New York?
I wish I was trading London session. I mean Asian session.
Yeah, you would have fucking
ate a good lump sum.
Unless you already had like a sell position open, and you would have had stops over here, that would have sucked.
Yeah, I was fucked. that shit would have been a bitch, bro. Literally, bro.
Yeah. If you would have gotten in at the rejection here, that would have been fire.
That one candle, dude, was strong. That was one candle, right?
Yeah, that's one 15-minute candle, basically. One 15-minute candle. 5-minute candle was huge too. This one right here. Let's see. What time was this? This was at 8. I might have gotten here a little bit too late as well too. Nice selling momentum over here for 8 o'clock. It's pretty clean. We have a lot of volume right now. We were basically down here like 1 minute ago. We have to be very careful today. It's either we're gonna win fast or we're gonna get clapped fast from all this volume from this movement over here. What's up, Tofi? What's up? So yeah, basically what I'm waiting for is your price starting to come under this level over here, or some like big rejection down here, or maybe coming up to this area over here, maybe kind of creating like a W pattern to keep on like kind of retracing this whole move, because at the end of the day this is gonna get retraced. At least 50% of it is gonna get retraced, because that's just how it works, right? So a retracement for this could be good. Give me a second, you're posting this on my story. Yeah, you see, so we're moving pretty quick here. We have we were up here literally like 30 seconds ago. Now we've moved 10 pips. So we do have some good volume here. That GG drop was insane. Yeah, bro, that GG drop was fucking insane. I wish I would have been awake for it, bro. I was already knocked out. Trying to get some sleep to wake up early. So let's see. I do want to wait for some closures here, see what's gonna go on with this candle here. It might end up closing doji like this. Market might be a little indecisive of where it wants to go at the moment. Let's see. Candle closes right here, and we start seeing basically we could maybe see a little bit more volume next candle, but we have to be patient here. I don't know when, but I'd be looking for clean traffic up, at least retesting for some of the big bears move. Yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for. I'm pretty confident that this move will get at least retraced 50%. Right, at least this right here. Price will at least come up to this area here, 163 or 162. In the following either days or hours. So yeah, from experience, that's basically what happens when we have huge movement like this. So we're getting that 15-minute closure right now in 10 seconds. Let's see where we close. Yeah, we basically closed. In a way, it's kind of like weak bullish, but it doesn't mean we could have some bullish movement right now, right? Because we could be rejecting this area here of support. So let's see what happens here. Okay. It kind of does seem we kind of want to use this level here of support. Very indecisive right now. Do I trade Nas? No, the only pairs I trade is GBP JPY and Euro JPY. But I could look at it right now. Euro JPY is basically, oh my god, look at this. Euro JPY basically do the same shit. US 30. US 30 is just consolidating here. And this is Nas. What I'll be looking here for Nas is price to start coming down under this level over here. I'll most likely be looking for sells here if I were to trade Nas right under over here, this area, with this rejection over here. Bro, Nas 100 for the buy. I would start looking for buys. We start trading anywhere above this area here, and then even safer buys would be over here. But over here you have to be careful here with the buys, because in a way we are still bearish, right? We are creating lower lows and then lower highs, right? So if anything, I would start looking for some buys anywhere around this level over here. Right, we are still bearish over here, and then basically almost on all pairs we're low-key bearish right now. Nas is clean for sells. Buys on until 115. Yeah, basically, bro. No, 115 is way up there, but yeah, I wouldn't really be looking for buys here. Look at GJ. Okay, so we basically faked out this level over here. Faked out this level over here. Looking like it was about to go bullish. Now these cells look clean. Right over here. But I would be waiting for at least a little closure below this support, because if we tend to get a sell position right now while we're still on top of the support, we could easily reject like we rejected on these times right here. So to take sells, I'd rather look for a closure below over here. Thanks for that. Yes, sir. What happened to JPY? I didn't see that coming. Yeah, I know. I did not see that coming either. Take the sells under 11,000. Clean shot to new lows, bro. I'm swinging a sell from 12. Ooh, good shit, bro. From 12, 150. Nas will hit 8K by February. Mark my words. Damn, so you swinging this bitch. Yeah, so you see we now have rejected this area 3 times now. So it's very risky to either take sells or buys at these areas here. These type of situations, you usually want to wait for some closures, especially with the volume we have right now. You have to be very patient, because you will literally get stuck in like a ping pong table, taking sells here and buys here, and just get clapped and blow your accounts. Another crazy prediction. Yes. Let's see what actually happened here with the JPY. Did we have any news?
Maybe because nothing.
1:30 we had JPY news in the 1:30 in the morning. But that happened like around, that happened yesterday. Look right here. Monetary policy statement. We had JPY news. Source is not given exactly. Each time the event will be listed as tentative. Oh, it's tentative. Yeah, so that's big. We had red folder news for JPY, but that shit was huge, bro. That was big. Shout out to the 21 people that are here. Thank you for stopping by. If you've never seen this channel before, we go live Asian session, New York session, and London session. All sessions. Well, Dr. Dollar actually goes live for London session, and on his channel. But we're basically the same. We're all freedom trading. Thursday is GBP. Yeah. Let me see. Not selling blue things, doctor. Yeah, they're. Oh, you got the not sells? Let me see. Yeah, that's good. You see, so basically, yeah, that's what I was basically saying. A little flip over here, and then start looking for sells under here. But there is a lot of volume here, so very risky, very risky. But it's more likely than the buys. If anything, I'd rather take sells here than buys. But I'd wait for it to kind of crack down on this level here. By yourself, Snipes? Yes, today I'm by myself. JP actually is going live Asian session now, and then I'll just be taking care of the New York streams. So yeah, I kind of like it. I don't know, I fuck with it. Put stop loss and profits 9:30. You're gonna get clapped if it's gonna pump. 9:30 is Nas most volatile time. Yeah, that's the New York Open. So yeah, I would put my stops break even, or depends where your entry's at. Where did you enter? see EJ. Support there. Values rejections. That's probably the cleanest support area we have right now for Euro JPY. And then cleanest resistance level would probably be there. Sheesh, scared the shit out of me. Your entry was at 11.025. Alright, let me see. Oh, you got in good, bro. Good shit. Take profit. Take profit. Where would you put your take profit? I would have it around here, maybe like 30 points, 20 points. 20 points would have almost gotten hit. If it was 20 points, I would have had my stops break even. $11,150. Banger sell. Banger sell. Did you get in here or here? Yep, 30 points. Fire, fire. Oh, Nas is coming down here now. It's pretty nice. See what's going on with GJ here. 30 minute just opened. Last 30 minute closed very fucking undecisive. Doji candle. Where would we go now? Where are we headed? Blessed. Hey, fire. You took profit, bro?
They don't even know this is just like private professionals which are not impressed in gold. For people who are investment which they are teaching from real experience, real knowledge, real market.
Let's see. Kind of excels. Holding fire. Good shit. Good shit. Nice little wick fill here on the 15 minutes. Sales are playing out pretty nice. Next confirmation for me would be a little closure below this area here. That'd be pretty nice. Or a strong like push and then a close back inside the range to potentially start even looking for some buys. Because we are very low in the market here, right? We just keep on rejecting this area. It's very strong. It's a very strong level of support that we have over here. You see how this keeps on coming in and then it keeps on leaving? That's so annoying, bro. How do I fix that? Like right now it's fire, but like it just like disappears. It's annoying as fuck. Hopefully it stays like that. Who's in here, by the way? Bello, Jose Cruz, a bunch of names here that I recognize. J Keys, Belden. All right. Still holding, still holding. What's up, Flo? What's up? Yeah, very risky. They're taking buys or sells right now here at this moment, just because it keeps on rejecting this level here of support. Also, kind of this little level of resistance we have here. Very minor level of resistance, but we have rejected that area a couple of times here. So let's see what happens. And we look a little bullish here. 1 minute ago we were looking bearish.
Yo.
What's up? What's up?
So what you gonna call it? Now we're looking bullish?
It looks a little bullish, yeah. Let's see. We have to still wait for some closures here, but it does look a little bullish now. But in 1 minute from now, it could be down here again. So have to wait and be patient. Lost $200 in this range today. Yeah, bro. It's very, very, very risky trading this range. I could imagine that you were taking some, well, either buys or sells or both. much pips would we be up if we took like 10 pips? $132.32 entry for UJ. Let's see what's going on here with UJ. Alright, so support would be basically here at this level over here. Nice support. Resistance would be up here. It's from all the times we rejected that area. Over here, and then these rejections over here. Very similar here to Euro JPY and GBP JPY. Buys were clean here. Take profit one would have been smashed. That would have been nice. We did come here to 930 though. We are gaining some volume. Gold buys look clean. Look at gold. Oh yeah, gold looks nice. See where this 15-minute closes. 4 minutes for the 15-minute candle. EJ, where EJ at? Looking very similar here to GBP JPY. Oh my god, this pair is disgusting. I don't want to see where this 15-minute closes here for GBP JPY.
Yo.
What's good? What's good? What's good? Who's that?
I don't know. Who you think?
Oh shit! Eric's back. What's good, bro? How are you?
Doing good.
Fire, fire. Still haven't taken an entry here. Still waiting for one. Have you taken anything today?
Nah.
Okay. 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 1 minute. 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 1 minute
I'm really not playing anything more. I mean, I do have the GJ shorts, but anything else, I'm not playing it.
Where did you take shorts from? You're still holding those shorts from yesterday?
Yeah. No, bro, I've been in shorts since let's check, since the 13th of the month, this month, December. 169 to 10. Basically, what happened? It was Bank of Japan. Like, everybody remember how like at the beginning of the month GJ was selling off?
Yeah.
That was basically the rumor that came out that the Bank of Japan, they're gonna start pivoting and they're gonna have to raise interest rate as their inflation keep increasing. Because remember, they even said that Bank of Japan, like if you look at the articles and if you read, you will even see that what they said. They said if inflation stays above 3%, which is already above 3%, we're gonna have to raise interest rate to control inflation. So that's what happened. A rumor came out since the beginning of the month. We start selling off because all investors start basically hedging their dollar.
Yeah. And then what happened today?
And that's the reason. That's literally what happened. Like it was the rumor that came out.
It came out today. Well, yesterday.
Yeah, and also we do have CPI on Thursday for the yen, which they're already forecasting higher. So that's already another sign that inflation is still going up over there.
Oh shit.
So there's still a lot of downside, but the only issue right now, I mean, yeah, you can still play the buys. I mean, it's too late to even sell right now, but at the same time, it's just very, very tough right now, GJ, to play. Like, it's because, like, after, bro, that's a crazy sell-off. Like you got to look at it from the high. Dude, that's a crazy sell-off.
That's why I'm kind of like looking for, I don't know, bro, like sells right now they're very, very risky. Why? Because we're very deep now into these sells. Taking another sell here, bro, what are the possibilities of this selling off even more, right? So I kind of have my eyes here on the buys, if anything.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, like it's just very tough right now. But obviously with that sell-off, that should confirm for 2023, what should we expect? We should see more downside for GJ. Overall, from a higher time frame perspective, like next year type, we should see a lot of bearish coming in. And also, if you look at the dollar too, the dollar is tanking.
The dollar.
So we do have the last GDP on Thursday for the dollar, for the USD. So that's basically gonna tell us if we're seeing growth for the Q4 or not. As the last GDP, so that's already basically gonna confirm, like, you know, are we seeing growth or we're actually declining. So it's very interesting. I mean, like I said, like I'm really not trying to play anything right now because I'm good for now. You know, like that's a good trade right there. There's no reason to do anything. You know,
no,
I mean, yeah, I can risk some profit, but it's like, do I really want to? Like, is there anything that's attractive to look for? And you know how to trade. Like I actually like to swing more than just like scalp type shit. So
yeah, of course.
But there is opportunities. Like I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, it's December. There is some setups. Like, you know, market flows.
I kind of like this here on the 4 hour. I do think that we could wick fill this this previous candle here. I think it is a possibility. I don't know. I am a little more bullish here on GJ than I am than me being bearish, for sure. But yeah, it's like I said, bro. It's very it's a little risky right now, especially this month has been kind of just very choppy. But yeah, let's see. But yeah, there is always opportunities here in the markets, and us scalpers, we always tend to scalp our way up.
That's the reason I even said, like, you gotta understand sometimes, like when price was going up, I was actually selling. Do you get what I'm saying? Like that's what I said. When I say that or explain that, a lot of people are not gonna understand because just everybody have different systems. You know, some people want to wait for the confirmation. Me, I just like to take my shots because I'm able to actually control my risk. You know, like I understand that I'm not gonna always be right from the first time, But if I know like a rumor like that, it's confirmed, then I'm seeing technical showing me the market that GPY is actually gaining strength and G just started dropping, then that's already a confirmation for me. So, you know, I mean, a lot of people can say like I'm trying to call the top or whatever, but at the end of the day, you know, like I was able, like it doesn't matter how many times it took me, you know, to get it right. I mean,
No, of course.
losses are really irrelevant, you know. Like I said, like everybody's different, you know. Like some people see something else than what I see, you know, which is cool. Like that's what I said. There's no like right or wrong in the market. You know, just like SMC, you know, people trade SMC, you know, a lot of people talk shit about. Bro, there's some people out there making money, you know. Yeah, there might be a low percentage, but there is some people using that strategy to make money. So you can't really doubt somebody's strategy just because they use the name or whatever fancy. That's very like irrelevant, you know.
No, of course.
It's like they're making money. That's really all it comes down to, bro. At the end of the day, are you making money or you're not? Are you withdrawing or you're not? That just all comes down to. Like, there's no reason to say, oh, I'm a good, you know. That's all it really comes down to. Like, if you're not withdrawing, then there's no reason. Like, your opinion really irrelevant. That's how I look at it. Even Dollar said it. He wouldn't learn from somebody that's not really making money, which it makes sense.
Yeah. Were you on the London live stream?
Yeah, I was. Actually, no, I wasn't. London, I wasn't. I wasn't Asian. I was talking to Dr. Pip. Actually, I was talking to Dr. Pip, and that happened. It was so crazy, bro.
No way. What happened? That's
Dude,
crazy.
we were just talking about like gym and stuff. We were talking about like just trading and stuff. Like, you know, but Asian session was just cool, you know, because it was like afternoon over here where I'm at. So it was cool, you know. It was like good vibes, you know. It's not like at night and stuff.
Yeah.
So we were talking and shit, and then he pulls up GJ, and GJ's just dumping, talking about 200 pips. I'm like, whoa, let me check my phone. I'm like, holy shit, bro, this is crazy. And bro, it's just dumping. It keeps on going. Like, it was just a crazy 30-minute candle. But I mean, yeah, I mean, that's what basically, because the news, it was basically tentative. Like, it was like throughout the day. It wasn't like a certain time. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, that's why I say I can't time when the market exactly gonna drop, but I can confirm that I know the overall trend where we're going. You know, and that's the only difference. Like, we can't really time when exactly it's gonna drop. It's very hard to do that. But it was crazy, bro. We're watching that. I mean, fucking crazy 1 hour candles.
Dude, I was.
Dude, we were talking, and I was like, what the fuck, bro? This is crazy. I wasn't even worried about DJ, you know, because I was like, I'm not even worried about the, like, you know, check it later on. Like, I really didn't expect the move to happen that quick. Because, bro, like, in a day, for it to drop, like, 600, 700 pips, that's like one of one life. That's like hitting a lottery in a way, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah. In a day, like, I'm pretty sure somebody's just sold and got lucky with it. But that's, I mean, bro, 800 pips, I don't know. I feel like that's crazy. Just think about even if you had 5 lots. Think about how much that is.
You would have fucking ate, bro. You would have ate.
Exactly, bro. And then, I mean, that's just how it works. But, I mean, to be honest with you, like, sometimes like that, you're going to miss opportunities like that. But you got to understand that, you know, there's always something next, you know. It's not like that's the end, you know. There's always some events, you know. You don't know what's going to happen next year, you know. I'm actually very interested in next year. I was even talking to Dr. Pip about it. Next year is very interesting going to be in the market.
Yeah.
Especially like January when we see CPI like start increasing here.
Yeah.
Because like, you know, the spending after like the holidays and stuff. Because I mean, a lot of people spend on the holidays. You know how it is.
No, yeah.
Bro, you don't find it crazy though? Like, people spend like on material stuff, but they don't spend like on themselves, like courses and stuff. Bro, like, I'm not even like promoting anything. I'm just saying that. Isn't it crazy though? Like, you don't find it like weird?
That's just how people are built, bro. People are built like that. The only people who are not built like that are the 5% of the people in this world. And that's why the 5% of these people are able to actually achieve something. But, yeah, bro, you can do whatever you want. Make your profits, bro. Go spend it. Because at the end of the day, I think you should spend a little bit of it. But I think you should also invest some of your profits. Yeah. Bro, Eric Rojas, good shit, bro. He caught 50 pips here on the sales for Nas. Good shit.
Bro, just join. Anybody on YouTube, bro, just join the Discord, bro. Like, there's actually a lot of good traders. Like if you go to trade ideas, people give their thoughts and stuff, and you don't always want to act like you're the best. You know, I always said that. No matter how much I accomplish, I always want to look forward for. Because I know I'm not the best. I know there's somebody on top of me. I know somebody playing with millions. You know what I'm saying? And that's literally 1% to them. You know, like you always want to respect. Like you don't want to look at it from a perspective like, okay, you caught 700, 800 pips, you're the shit. Like it's not even that. It's just a matter of fact that I actually did put in the time, so I kind of deserve it in a way. You know, I was actually making research, making sure that there was some rumors. Obviously, it was very clear as like, you know, the Feds over here start slowing down, CPI start going down, there's showing improvement in our economy here. That obviously gave me kind of like hints on we should see some type of action for the Bank of Japan as like their 3%, as like their inflation was over 3%, which like I said, that literally mentioned in the article. If you read articles, you will literally find all the answers, you know? So I feel like if you put in the time, if you want to look for answers, if you want to look what the market looking forward to, you deserve to get rewarded. Just how I look at it, you know?
Yeah.
Like that's just how it works, you know? There's some people who caught 1,000 pips, you know? Like some people who just, you know, made million off that short, you know? Like it's just, I mean, for Gigi to drop 700 pips, that's a lot of money what's floating in the market.
It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money,
even
bro.
with one lot.
Like even like for 10 pips, bro. Like for price to even move 10 pips, it takes a lot of effort. That's a crazy. I think this definitely has to be the trade of the year. It has to be. I don't think. I mean, what you think? I think it has to be the trade of the year. I've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah.
In a day, we're speaking from in a day. Like that's crazy.
Huge drop, yeah, bro. It's probably the biggest move we've had this year for sure.
Yeah, I would agree.
Yeah. Now I think we should retrace a little bit of it. Looking for the retracement here, at least for the 50% of that candle. Pretty sure it can happen.
Yeah, eventually it will die off the sell.
Yeah.
We'll probably see a nice retracement. I mean, if it probably drops 700 pips, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we trace like 200, 300 pips. You know, very possible.
Yeah. Yeah, I do think we're gonna eventually get a retracement here, and I am actually looking for. I'm more bullish here, bro, than I am bearish for sure.
I mean, let's say like in my situation, if I was in any trade, I'm actually looking for a trade. I'll prefer buys. I definitely wouldn't look for sells. The buys like basically have just like a higher probability of playing out, especially if you're able to catch like the low. That's gonna send us higher. You would definitely easily make a bag off that.
Like the buys at this price are nice, bro. At this 67 price are nice.
Yeah,
I do think we are gonna flip here, keeping stops over here. Keeping stops here at 460 is very nice.
What time frame? Oh, you're in the 15?
This is a 15-minute time frame. And then the possibilities for this candle here to flip is very big.
Yo, could you look at the 4 hour real quick? Just want to see something.
4 hour, I do think we're gonna wick fill this whole.
Yeah.
I do think we're gonna.
4 hour. Looks clean, bro.
I'm gonna wait for price to come here at 670, and I like it, bro. I think I'm gonna get in on this.
Hey, listen, bro. If you see something you like, just press the phone. That's one thing I learned.
Eric knows, bro.
If you,
remember,
if you overthink, bro, it puts you in just like a different. It makes you like not actually miss out on trades and stuff. Like if you know you're able to control your risk, it's very irrelevant. Just take the buy. That's literally your plan, you know. Like that's all that matters.
Yeah, but it's already moving. It's already like 10 pips in profit here. Hopefully it comes down a little bit more. And if it hits the take profit area, then they would be
what would like just say like from a scenario? Let's say like it ended up start flying from that. What would you want to see next in order for you to actually give it a second chance as it's going in your favor?
So for me to see next, probably keeping stops here. Anything, I don't know, bro.
Are you trying to play the flip?
No, not the flip. I liked it down here, keeping stops down here. Which like,
Yeah, that was
you
more
see how we
favorable.
came, you see how we came here. The possibilities of it flipping was big, very very big. So getting in over here was the play. Now getting in at the flip is already where everyone wants to get in. So it's a little bit riskier. You get what I mean? So that's kind of what makes sense on my eyes.
Yeah, looks clean.
By the way, guys, I'm not in this. Let me put it in here. It's a trade idea. Okay. Oh, yo, the low fee ends? What the fuck? Let's see.
Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. Spray, wipe, rinse. Dawn Power Wash.
Bro, I have to sign in on the Freedom Trading account. I don't have fucking YouTube Premium on this account, but I have it on the other one. Oh, and I also have YouTube, Spotify. Let it close above the SMA first. Yeah, it's already like the late entry, but yeah, boom, there, it would have been smashed. That would have been fire. Now potentially this could be the trade here. I think that's still very valid. Right, they're getting in at that price. So yeah, I am looking to get in here. Okay, alright, let's wait. Here. Let's give it a second here. Not in yet, not in yet. That would have been trippy as fuck if we would have gotten in there. But also here, closing here is very risky. And then also, people from here are taking profit, right? So it's coming back to their break even. Make sense? That 160. Okay. Let me see. Getting in at that price is not even bad either. 160.67. 160.870. I think it will flip back bullish. Yeah, I do think it could flip back bullish because here we don't have a top wick, right? But the perfect entry would be here at 670, keeping stops here below at 464. That would probably be the best entry. If it does reach that area, I will be in on buys. Would it leave us? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it will leave us, but if it does hit 670, we will be in. So I'm basically getting I'm basically entering on a buy limit here for 670. One hour close, it's just retracing. Let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, exactly. I think we are still bullish here. So this is basically a 30-minute trade. I'm gonna explain the trade before I get in. So basically, if you guys notice over here, we came down here, very big move over here, came down and rejected this area here, right? Came up, rejected this area here, then came down over here, right? Rejecting it, right? Many people entered sales on here, they got clapped. Now we're back basically bullish with this 30-minute, right? So here we're basically getting in at a retracement buy here, keeping stops right here. Like boom, I'm in right there at 670. So let's see. Hopefully we do gain volume here. Okay.
You're in the buy?
Yeah, I'm in the buy, 670.
Yo, good morning. What's up, Snipes?
Yeah, that's good. ¿Qué me dice, Abelito?
Dímelo, papo.
¿Todo bien?
Yeah, good, bro. How you guys doing today?
Chilling. Just got into some buys here. Are you in?
No, not yet, bro.
I'm in here at
I don't know,
670.
I just opened up this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, hopefully we do start getting some volume here for the buys. And not get wick filled over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in with you.
Wait for it to come back up though. Man, we are getting here some bearish volume now though, which sucks, but I do think we could flip here. There's so much volume.
Yo, gold is flying. You see on that trade, Snipes?
Sheesh, yeah. No, that was JP actually.
Oh, that was TP?
Yeah, that was JP. That was fucking a banger trade for JP.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we do start flipping here, bro.
I believe it's gonna flip, bro.
Six minutes for this 15-minute candle to close.
Investigate more on the lower time frame.
What?
I said investigate more on the lower time frame. See what's going on.
Yeah.
What's up, Eric, bro? Seem quiet.
What's up, bro? I mean, he's in a trade. Gotta let him focus. No, I mean, when I'm in a trade, you obviously don't want to hear, like, you know?
No, I do. I'd rather be talking right now, honestly.
Yeah, me too, man.
Wait, who called that a gold buy? I know
That was
Dollar was
JP.
talking about
He
it.
just hit TB2.
Yeah, that was a banger, bro.
Yeah, it was a banger.
August, there were news, man. Or gold. I don't know, headlines, something like that.
Bro, this fucking 30-minute candle is huge. It's massive.
No, it's been like that. GJ, I don't know if you remember. Remember when GJ had like the massive candles with like
Yeah.
30, 40 pips? Right now, that's literally what's happening. There's just a lot of volume in the market.
We're back to doing that shit.
Yeah.
Now, can we start flipping here? Or are we gonna stay bullish? I'm debating if I should close some here. Debating if I should close some. We also do have level of rejection here. See, we've rejected here once, 2, 3, 4, 5. So would it be stupid getting out here?
Yeah, I moved my stop loss under that wick.
Oh shit. Maybe it wasn't that stupid. Yeah, I could liquidate these wicks here. Boom.
Hit your stop loss?
Yeah. Damn it. I don't think that we're bearish here, bro. I don't think that we're bearish at all here. Let me see. What did we do wrong here? What did we do wrong here?
Which one call it? I'm still holding, waiting for it to test.
Bro, what
Just feel the holiday spirit.
Let me see. So basically, bro, what could have happened here? This is the only thing that because I do think we're bullish here, right? So what could have happened here was that entry for that setup was here, right? For that setup.
Yo, Giovanni, the thing's dropping out, bro. It's literally hitting like stop loss by 3% or 2%.
Look, so basically, look, the entry for that setup was here. Alright, keeping stops over here. Keeping stops over here. Getting in at this retracement over here. Boom. Basically what we were talking about before. Getting in at that retracement and then pushing up here, looking to break these highs. After that, everyone liquidated, and then getting in over here for the same setup would have been a mistake. So that's basically the only thing here that I see that could have happened. Then right after this 5-minute close here, it's basically telling us that we don't have momentum for that anymore. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I think we can potentially have a double bottom out here. We'll see. The 15.
Yeah, I don't think we are bearish here, honestly though.
Check the 15.
We did close below these areas here though.
Yo, Giovanni.
Yo.
Should I get out, bro? I'm still in this trade,
Yeah,
bro.
it hits stop loss. I think you should get out. I think you should get out once it hits stop loss, bro. That's what the stop loss is for. 30-minute can't flip. Yeah, I don't think it could flip now with this momentum. With this momentum, it's very hard for this to flip now. Maybe we are looking to come to these lows over here. Alright, and why do I have the zone here marked up? This zone, hold up, let me take out the, it's a little loud. Okay, why do I have this zone here marked up? That could have been another reason why that trade didn't go our way. If you go here on the daily, we do have levels of rejection at this here. This is a very strong level of support that we have over here, where we rejected a couple of times, right? See, maybe we are coming down to this hit the support at 159.800, and then for it to come up. But bro, look at this daily candle. This is unbelievable. Huge daily candle, bro.
Probably say just wait until it picks more direction, because like there's not much like data in front of you that's gonna support any decision, either buy or sell. It's just very tough right now because like if you sell, like yeah, you can still make money off it, but it just gets more riskier as prices keep going down without actually retracing or giving a healthy retracement. It's very tough. Like who knows? I mean, we could be ranging too, you know? Who knows?
Yeah. I would never take sells here.
But overall, like the buys, they were clean. Like where you were thinking about executing.
Yeah.
That did hit TP1. Like if you actually ended up taking it.
Yeah, that was the buy. That was the only buy.
Yeah,
After
I feel like that was the buy.
After that, the re-entry there was it was a mistake because people were already getting out of that, right? So they're not gonna take it again. I'm the only one that took it again because I missed the first one. But now we learned the lesson here. If we miss one, we shouldn't go for the second. Now, what I do think is gonna happen here is that we're gonna start flipping here and coming back up. This is probably a 20 pip wick. Yeah. It's very risky though. And then also what happened here was that whoever took sells over here, they got stopped at a break even for it to keep on coming down. That could have been happening too. It's at the daily low. It could bounce up, but JPY is very strong, and so it can keep going down, I think. I mean, it could bounce up or keep on coming down. Those are the two possibilities there is. Bro, look, this is daily, Eric. This is fucking crazy. This is huge.
Yeah.
Last daily candle we had it was 483 pips. This was
and also, there's no limit. There's no limit or how far it could go. That's the thing about it. It's like, okay, we did drop 708 pips. Does that mean we can drop another 1,000 pips? Or like, I mean, another, because right now we have dropped like 800 pips. Like, there's no limit that price could drop another 200 pips. But also, as you say, like, I mean, price is running through areas like with no respect, which is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. At the end of the day, we have a lot of volume here for the sellers.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure spreads are jumping too. I usually check spreads like when it comes like, you know, there's a lot of volume or not.
I think, look, bro, we lost here on the 4 hour. If you notice, we lost momentum here.
Buyers tried. They tried to push it.
They tried, but it was so bearish. But I think we closed like in a way, like I don't know. We gotta see, because it is weak bullish, so we could start seeing strong bearish again. So we do have to see.
Like when you see this, it's just very tough. Like it's like afternoon, you know.
Yeah.
You don't know where actually price gonna end up going.
Weekly fib.
But buyers are trying though, for sure. I mean, you can see buyers' effort.
Yeah, most likely we could come down here to the zone over here.
I'm very curious if we're gonna run that support or it's gonna hold it.
The one we're at right now? This one?
Yeah, we're approaching. The one we're approaching.
The one we're approaching?
Yeah.
It probably is gonna approach it.
Because it is a higher time frame, like support, you know, so
yeah.
It holds a lot of weight, a higher time frame.
You see Euro JPY?
Wait, yesterday you took a buy?
Yesterday I took
Pretty sure you took a buy.
Yeah, I think I took a buy. But yesterday I lost.
It played out. It played out after you stopped you out. You saw that?
Yeah, I know. I saw
it. It went to your TP.
It was.
Crazy.
Was it this one?
It was New York.
Right here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure around there.
I took one after over here. And I won it.
Right.
I didn't call it. So I went break even yesterday. But I didn't call it. I wasn't live.
Wait, did you make a video about it? Like how you could have done better in that situation?
Yeah, I posted it on my premium.
Bet.
I can send it to you though. Well,
sure, I mean, you probably share it with the Freedom chat.
No, I didn't share it on there. I just shared it on mine. But I should have. Well, I didn't even send that trade on the Freedom chat. Just send it on mine. What was I gonna say? So yeah, this was yesterday's trade. I took a buy. Yeah, and it came down and then it played out. Yeah, bro. I don't know, bro. It's just been it's been so.
I don't think
choppy,
it's really like you. I don't think it's you. I think it's just like the market. Like your trade's playing out. It just, I don't know. Sometimes it happens. Like sometimes where you might be too early, might be too late. These type of situations, you can't really control much about it, you know?
Yeah.
Like I said, if all of us can time the market and when it's going to go up and go down, and we'll all be rich as fuck.
Facts. No, but, what was I going to say? December hasn't been the best, bro. November was fire. October was insane. It's just, I'm like break even as fuck this month. Break even as fuck.
I mean, if you're speaking from this month, yeah, but if you're speaking from an overall perspective, you're still up.
Oh, overall, bro, I'm up. But it's
exactly
kinda,
that's
like,
all that matters.
In a way, it does affect a little bit your psychology in a way when you.
But I know, I understand. But think about it. You've been there before.
Oh,
so
sure,
it's
yeah.
like you experienced that before. So it's not like something new to you. Obviously, if it's like a first time for somebody, it is gonna affect their psychology. But as long as like you go through these moments, you eventually become numb to it. If you know what I'm saying, like it doesn't really affect you.
Yeah, of course, bro. I've had many losing streaks in my life, especially when I started trading. Even now, couple months, bro, I've had losing streaks. But this, I think I'm down like 5 trades. Like I'm like on a 5 trade losing streak right now, which is very rare for me. Very, very rare. I'm usually in like a 4 to 5 win, 4 to 5 streak. like that I'm in profits. When I started streaming, I was like, what, bro? Like 13, 14, 15 trade win streak. And if I'm not in a win streak, it's just like win, lose, win, lose. But I think it's like the first. Well, no, I'm not gonna lie. Probably like March, April. I think yeah, March, April. I had a losing streak, kind of like this one.
To be honest with you, bro, you should actually be proud of yourself of the accomplishment you have done. I feel like it's very irrelevant what's happening on December, bro.
Yeah.
Just how I look at it, like, you know, like for somebody to actually be consistent for months, like 11 months, and then let's say like the last month is like when losing streak. Very irrelevant. Like I wouldn't even consider that like an issue or like a psychology issue. Like, you know, sometimes, you know, sometimes you gotta pay the fee for the market, you know. We low key do pay our entry to be in the market. Because you do have to lose to win, you know?
No,
Isn't that the game? I mean,
yeah,
so we do pay the market to win. So that I don't know. I look at it like that. I don't know. I mean, I think, like, you know, when I took losses a lot back then, that's just how I used to look at it. You know, like I'm just paying the market and I'm learning new lessons. You know, you just, I mean, the moment you look at the issue as like a good thing, that's like when everything changes. And I feel like that's a good way to go about it as life too, you know? Like when anything bad happens, try to look at it from a good way perspective.
Yeah. Bro, look at the yen. But this is like a very bad like chart. But
Put JPY and choose Pepperstone. I use that. I mean, I don't use it like confluence, but I use it as a confluence, you know, just like to confirm. We finally started picking up though. We've been selling off.
This is the one you use?
There's what?
This is the one you use?
Yeah, Pepperstone. Are you on Pepperstone?
Yeah.
No, not this one. Let me see. No, you're using TVC. I use Pepperstone. Type JPY.
Yeah, what the fuck? I thought I just added it.
And Pepperstone, yeah, third one, yeah.
Oh, because I have to. Oh, bro. Oh, it's because I already have it.
Yeah.
But where the fuck do I have it? You see?
It's probably down there at the list.
Oh, there we go. There we go, system. JPY is pushing, bro. Inflation rate's going insane. How are we here? Here we're vibing low key. It's a little bit better than it was.
Bro, we've been fucking the yen has been getting destroyed, bro. It's the only currency that's getting mauled. So we finally started picking up. I mean, they're kind of feeling the pressure of inflation, you know? I mean, think about it. They definitely don't want inflation to go crazy as other central banks, you know? Because, I mean, the yen, I feel like the yen, like Japan have a different environment, you know? Like people over there don't spend a lot. Here, we spend a lot. You know that. The US, a lot of people spend a lot of money, bro. But like in Japan, like they actually save, you know? The government want the people in Japan to spend, but it's just a different environment, you know?
Yeah, bro, if it was for me, bro, I wouldn't even fucking trade this month.
Yeah, I mean, like that's the reason why I said like I'm not really looking for anything, because it's just like I mean, yeah, there is like fucking the fucking GDP for the USD. You can play that. That's cool. You probably see like a spike, play around. You know, that's cool. You can catch that. You can catch probably like Thursday. You can see like the CPI for the yen goes up. You can play that too. But at the end of the day, you gotta look at it from this perspective. Like this is, I'll probably say like Thursday will probably be like the last day officially. Friday, you're probably not gonna see anything. Market will be ranging.
Gold was nice, so I'm not gonna lie. This was a setup I would
No,
take.
that was definitely a
days.
nice push.
I would have taken this setup any day, bro. Over here, look. This was the setup. Well, basically, JJ did the same shit. I don't know, let's see. 30 pip stop. At the flip over here. That would have been nice.
Notice how the dollar is going down and gold is going up. That's all I'm saying. Just pay attention to that, guys. You guys been seeing gold follow the dollar for a while, and all of a sudden, when banks start announcing recession and stuff, you start seeing gold going up. Very interesting.
Yeah. I do think GJ here could hit this area here of support, and then keep on coming, like get that retracement push from there.
Like this, what I see, this is basically like accumulating a lot of liquidity right now. That's what GJ is doing, in my opinion. You probably like channel a little bit, kind of like a down channel, like a weak down channel, and then you start seeing buyers getting control, and you start seeing price start breaking structure. So I do see what you're talking about, like especially like with price right now, momentum kind of like not much volume behind these sell-off that's happening right now. I don't know if you use the volume indicator. I mean,
which pairs do I trade in holiday, gold or GJ? Bro, I've been sticking to GJ for like a year and a half now. I usually don't trade during these days at all. I usually take like 2-week breaks around these days, but I do enjoy going live a lot. So maybe going live is forcing me to take a trade. That's what I think.
You think so?
Yeah, for sure. Cause I
feel like it's pressure or what?
I don't think it's the pressure, bro. It's just there's always the market always looks like it's like good. Like there's always a setup, right? It always looks like there's a setup. But during these times, setup usually don't play out for me in general or for GJ, right? Gold, well, if you see gold played out pretty fucking well here. But maybe it's just GJ as well.
You wanna know what's crazy? Look at EJ, bro. Bro, look at EJ. Holy shit, bro. EJ is crazy.
EJ's doing the same shit.
Nah, EJ, the sell-off too is crazy.
Oh yeah,
you probably see most of young pairs fell off the same.
Yeah. But GJ was like a fucking 600 pip move actually.
Like 7, 8.
660, 650. Crazy. Oh, look what happened here with US 30 and then with Nas too. Someone was in Nas sells.
I'm very bullish stock market. Same thing with crypto. I'm actually bullish Bitcoin and Ethereum.
See what's going on here with crypto.
I've been buying crypto.
Let's see what's going on here.
Everybody's scared to buy. I'm gonna jump in. That's literally how I trade too. When everybody don't want to fucking sell, I'm gonna sell. It's just how it works with the stock market too. Everybody's scared to buy, you jump in. That's the right time to jump in.
Bro, look at this. I had this.
Bro, you actually trade crypto?
Yeah, I was gonna trade it. I actually had a fucking sell limit over here. And it didn't fucking play out. Look at that. I would have been eating right now. Oh my god, look at that. 40. I would have been up 40% on crypto.
Wait, you used to trade Binance option? Remember, you used to talk about that. You used to trade like stocks.
I used to trade stocks, but not options, just stocks.
How was it? I'm just curious. Like I've always heard people like, is this kind of similar in a way, like as trading? Like I'll obviously do like invest stock like long term though. That's different as like option, you know.
Like the thing is that what I would do, like bro, this is like my first months of like even knowing what the fuck like the market was and shit. Bro, let's say like I used to trade like penny stocks.
Okay.
You know what penny stocks are, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. Let me
You used to like over leverage it?
As fuck. I used to over leverage shit. And then I would actually like
crazy contract.
I would actually try to like buy whenever it's like flying, and then like every time I would buy it would fucking melt. And that was just my story for stocks, bro. Like stocks just went so bad for me. I didn't even know what the fuck I was doing though. Like I didn't take a course. So I just.
Do you feel like right now, if you went with this, your experience, everything, the Forex, you feel like you perform better in the stock?
Maybe.
I'm low key interested to give it a shot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been thinking about it. I'm like, why not? Like even like if I put like $1,000, like let's just see what I can do.
Bro,
you know?
Options are nice. They used to be nice. Now, not that much, man. When Tesla used to be, because they're not paying that much, man. When Tesla used to be on the thousands and Amazon used to be on the 5,000s, bro. For every dollar they move, for example, Amazon, for every dollar that moves, they will pay you like $1,000. It was crazy, but I used to do options a lot. Believe me, a lot. There's these things that calls, the name is the Greeks. That's a 101 for options, bro. Which is the Theta and Delta, all those stuff. Because every time you let the position running for the next day, they charge you a fee and your contract goes down. There's a lot of things.
But isn't that with Forex too? You get charged swipes too, if you hold trade.
Yeah, swaps, but it's different. Remember when you buy contracts, you put an expiration date. So the closer you get to the expiration date, the less value your contract's gonna have.
Makes sense.
So there's a lot of things on it. I love it, man. I love it. Especially trading SPY, bro. Oof, you can make $200 easy on SPY on a $2 move, $3 move. You can.
Yeah, I mean, like I just don't see a reason why not. You know, like just give it a shot. Like it's just one of those things. You know?
Exactly.
Like, I just want to see if like somebody who actually have Forex experience can actually switch the option and still perform the same way. You know,
I don't know.
That would be crazy. That would low-key be crazy.
Look, I was coming here to stocks like Tesla. Bro, what the fuck is this price action? You feel me? Like, dude, I don't know.
That's the opening.
Pretty
Snipes.
sure.
Like, what the
That's
fuck?
9:30. Every time the market open,
the gap.
I mean, not every time, but most of the time it does a gap, and the gap actually most of the time the gap get filled.
But look at this, bro. Like, how the fuck does this make sense?
But remember, on stock market, all the stocks follow SPY, which is SPY, and then there's another thing. The name is BIX. That if BIX goes up, stocks go down.
I know the VIX.
Yeah.
I have it here.
When VIX goes up, market goes down.
It's like you look at this shit. It's like scary, like how the market's like scary. Like I don't know, like I read some shit about that shit. Like like how anxious the market is. Some shit like that. I don't even know. Does that even make sense?
Yeah, check SPY. Right there on the indices. SPY.
Do I have it here? Yeah. Wait, is it? Yeah.
That's SS. Yeah, I mean that's the biggest one. The bigger one. You gotta check SPY. You gotta write it just like that. SPY.
Let's see. SPY.
There you go. Yeah, you can use the first one.
The first one?
Yeah. You see that shit?
Yeah.
It gaps a lot.
Oh shit. Oh look, I used to kind of see this shit. Dude, look at this. 2020. I have shit marked up here.
Yeah.
2020, I have shit marked up.
Still, that graph is ugly, bro. I think there should be another one. Let me see. I'm gonna tell you the one that I have. The one that I have is
after I went to Forex, bro. Like, Forex was fucking like
Arca. Check Arca. Spy, and the name is Arca. No, Spy. Check Spy. Spy and Arca. That's the one that I have. Look, over there. Go up. Over there. Below, no, under Uniswap. I mean.
Oh, right here.
Is it that? No, bro, it's not that one. But why you have it like that? I don't have it like that.
I don't know. Good COVID.
Probably had the wrong server.
Yeah.
Whatever, bro. Fuck stocks. Forex, I think, is the way, bro. Forex.
No, obviously.
It took me a long fucking way.
It's a bigger market. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is like, could a Forex trader switch to stock options and perform the same?
Maybe
that would be
we
kind
should
of like,
have
you know.
Yeah, maybe one day we should have like a stocks New York open trade. Like, that'd be crazy, bro. I haven't checked.
I think that would be. Yeah, like a one-time thing. I think that would be lit. That would be like a lit.
I'll definitely do that one day. I'm not gonna demo trade it though. I would have to open. I think I still have
over leverage.
I'm gonna over leverage the fuck out of the trade. I'm not gonna lie. Cause it's like I don't give a fuck. Put in more like $100 and risk it on whatever. But bro, now when Forex came in my life, I did lose a lot, but then I started like learning from like a bunch of people, and then there was a moment where boom, trading was actually like it could actually make people money. Bro, when I would trade stocks, I thought that it was impossible to make money off this shit. Dude, I thought it was impossible until I got my payout. Until I got the fucking payout, I didn't think it was possible, and I was just still doing it. It's just crazy. And I know a lot of people feel that way, cause that's just how it is, bro. Sometimes you don't even think, like, you just hopping on the markets every day, and you've never received the payout, and you don't even think it's possible. But once you get the payout, you're gonna be like, damn, bro, this shit's actually possible. Yeah, that's literally what happened to me. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna be back on tomorrow, same time, or should I get on at 8? Is that you think I should get on at 8, Eric? I think 8. There's a little bit more about this. Yeah, very well, bro.
You can probably get like pre-New York volume.
I think pre-New York is the way, bro. I think it's way better. I think tomorrow I'm gonna hop on at 8. I think I'm gonna make it a regular to hop on at 8. So yeah, I'm gonna take it slow here though. December isn't kind of the best, but yeah.
I mean, one trade will wash off all the losses.
What?
I said one trade will wash off all the losses.
Yeah, I just need one win, bro. Like, I had my win yesterday, but I don't know, it's not the same. Like, now it's different, like, different psychology when you just take a trade, or then, like, calling a trade, or, like, taking it live, or sending the signal. Now it's different. Like, trading kind of changed.
I've always said this. Your state of mind determines the opportunities you see and don't see in the market.
Yeah.
So that's all it comes down to. Like, if your state of mind is not good and you're trading, there's a higher chance that you're probably seeing something that's not there, or you're probably seeing an opportunity. You're just not there clearly. So I truly believe in that, because that did happen. I mean, that happens to every trader, you know, where you realize that probably like some personal issues or something going on. I mean, let's be honest. Everybody's lives has problems. We all have problems. It happens. So like when you have problems or stuff and you start thinking about it and you get in the charts, you're not really there. You might think you're there, but in reality, like you're not fully focused. Like, you know, your decisions are not fully like sharp, you know. So that's why I said like it all comes down to your state of mind, you know.
Facts. Like, I feel like this shit could play out here. Because we already seen I think we could come down here to resistance. But yeah, whatever. I'm gonna get off here, boys. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm very fucking hungry. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be back. Tomorrow actually gonna be back at 8. So I'll be sending the Zoom for the premium and then the YouTube link for the people who follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are there so you guys get a notification when I go live, and also subscribe, because then there you also see when I go live. Alright, so yeah, boys, I'm gonna be calling here today, and yes,